Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Hello sunflowers, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Grace. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm going to be doing my first episode of my vlogmas series today. It is a happy, positive, college, lifestyle, productive, just like sunshine pocket of the internet, a happy little place, and I'd love to have you here. All you have to do to become part of the Sunflower family is subscribe down below. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a holiday room tour. My mom and dad surprised me and decorated my room. If you guys saw my finals vlog, I came home and I was so excited. I wasn't expecting like the extraness level that they went to at all. They made a little sugar plum wonderland for me, and I'm so excited to share with you guys today the different projects that they did, where they got the supplies, because they actually did this overall on a really low budget, which is amazing. If you know me, I love affordable stuff. So yes, we're going to hop in the video in this second, but I did want to tell you guys that I am so looking forward to this month of uploading every day for you guys until Christmas. I have so many fun things to share and bring you guys along for. A lot of these are going to be vlogs, but comment down below if you have any requests for videos that aren't vlogs, or also let me know what you want to see in the vlogs, because I feel like a lot of times I show my days. You guys want to see like some nights in my life, some morning routines in my life. Just let me know and I will make what you guys want to see, because I do this for you guys and I love all these sunflowers. This is so much. A few things that are going to be in vlogmas this year is I have a really exciting announcement coming about college. I'll have an update for you guys on that, and up until that point showing you guys the process, of course, as I have been. I also am going to have a very exciting businessy type announcement coming that I'm going to get to bring you guys along a ton of the behind the scenes for throughout this month, and that's a big reason why I'm so excited for vlogmas this year, is because you guys are going to see everything that goes into that project instead of bam announcing it. You guys are like my little behind the scenes sunflower crew who get to see everything before any of my other social medias and before I make like a officially type post video kind of thing. So yes, without further ado, I just kind of to preface what vlogmas is going to be this year. It's so fun. I always do like my annual gingerbread video and what I got for Christmas, my Christmas vlog, my Christmas Eve vlog, all the festive content coming your guys' way in positive, sunshiny ways, and showing you guys real life. So yes, let's go ahead and hop into my room tour. We're gonna do it super casual, OG YouTube style, like I always do my room tours. I did a room makeover series at the beginning of quarantine last year when I moved back home the first time, and I'm really happy I did it because I'm going to be spending a lot of time home this spring, which I have announcements coming about that. But yeah, this time it is Sugar Plum Fairy Edition, and I'm so excited. So let's hop into the tour. I've been talking for like 12 years. All right, I'm so excited. Happy Vlogmas Day 1.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Alright y'all, so let's hop into the tour. So first off, we have these two French doors. My mom actually put this cute little marble hook up for me last time I went back to school because she realized how obsessed I am with my robes. So all my robes just get hung here. Amazing, beautiful, never been done before, because I wear those more than anything else. Alright, so a big difference between my original bedroom makeover videos and now. If you guys have seen the vlogs, you saw that we changed the flooring from the musty carpet I had for like my whole life to this marble. It is actually fake marble, so this was a super affordable little project. I'll put on the screen where my mom got it from, but she actually did it herself. But it really adds like a princessy sugar plum, I don't know, just makes my room look much cleaner overall, I would say. So then moving to this corner, of course we have Stormy's little scratch board, because she's the most important part of my life, queen. And then I have this futon from IKEA. This was in my freshman dorm room, and I think it actually ties my style in this room super well together. So I'm obsessed with this. This blanket over here is from Home Goods. This is from Home Goods, and this I'm not sure. That was actually a gift. Or actually no, this is from Target, and again, I'm not sure about that. And then this little octopus I had when I was having a mental breakdown freshman year. Shocking content. Alright, so the first Christmassy detail kind of started over in this corner, and it is these snowballs. They go throughout my room. They kind of start here. My dad actually made these out of styrofoam little balls. He cut them and they secured it with Tiki Tack. So overall, a super cheap project, but it's all throughout my room and it makes it look so cool. All right, so moving on to this wall of my room. Of course, we have 2 windows, as you guys can see. So this is where all my natural lighting comes in from, and I'm obsessed with this little bright. It adds a little festive moment to my OOTD pics. I'm always posting those over on my IG, which I'll put over right here on the screen. Okay, so moving on to my desk area. One, there's no chair because it's in my apartment, but I actually kind of like it because I more so just use this as a little place to hold my items, or I can always pull a chair in here if I need to do work at this desk, but I usually use our office at our house. So under my desk, first of all, I have this bag. This is where I keep my camera so that my cat doesn't break it. I literally just zip it such that she can't get inside. And then this corner is not organized, but I did want to show you guys because it's going to be part of the vlogmas videos this year every day. It is 25 days of Christmas feline advent calendar. So you guys are gonna get to see Stormy open this every day, which is gonna be so much fun. All right, guys, so details on the desk. First off, this is my favorite part. It's like a little night light. I keep it on when I sleep every night. It makes me feel so peaceful, and I just think it's so adorable. And then right next to that, we have these super cute little trees. I've been seeing these everywhere this year, and it's definitely one of my favorite decorating trends. Like, how cute is that? The desk itself is from IKEA. I just like it because it has this glass top, so if I spill stuff like makeup or whatever on it, it wipes right off. I just have my computer sitting here. I brought home this red candle. This is amazing. It is a knockoff of the Anthropology scent. You can get it at Walmart. And then I have a little mic over here, which has to do with some exciting things you guys will be finding out about super soon. Above my desk, I have this huge mirror. This adds such a beautiful touch to my room. I got this from Home Goods. I believe they have such affordable mirrors. And then we have this super cute flocked garland, I guess you would call this. I don't know if I'm calling that the right thing. Swag, I don't really know. But we just added these little strings and tied these ornaments and filled them with different things. So a lot of them have these little jingle bells, and a lot of them have these little crystals, if you guys can see. Super me, because we know I love pink. Okay, so moving along, you guys can see the little snowballs continue on throughout the room. They had such a cute 3-dimensional touch. I love them. Right here we have this little snowflake. This was literally like $2 from Walmart, but it adds such a fun winter touch. And of course, again, pink, like that's my middle name. Okay, so this is what my bed looks like from this side of my bedroom. So cute. So on this coffee cart, we have my adorable white Christmas tree. White is amazing for a kitty because she does not try to eat this like she does all of our other trees. And I'm obsessed with these disco ball ornaments. I could not believe these were from Walmart because I've been seeing this at Anthropology. It's a big trend this year, and I just did not think I would have the splurge moment to get those. But since they were at Walmart, I have them and they look super cute. And all these little touches, I feel like just really bring it together. This little tie part at the top of the tree. Overall, this is so cute and so my aesthetic. We also, of course, have this adorable pink tree skirt. So Sugar Plum Princess Fairy, we know I stand. And then I also just have all of little pisos of my kitty Stormy. If you guys don't know, at stormy.jpg on Instagram. My literal child. I love that girl more than anything. She has tons of outfits. So I just folded a bunch of her little outfits. Like, these are her Christmas PJs and her dresses and stuff up as like little presents under the tree. Okay, and then under the tree, we have this marble slab. You can get a slab of marble like this at Home Depot or Lowe's. Super duper cheap, and I just think it ties in the flooring super well. I used to use this for product pictures, but now it really just like brings my room together. And then I have some super fun Christmas candles. We have Peppermint Snow from Target, and then this super cute one just to add in some more pink. Also, this bar cart is from At Home, and we just have some bins of clothes, purses, just like daily life kind of things under here. This part's not as cute, but it doesn't look bad either, so. Alright, y'all, so the star of the whole show of my holiday room is clearly my bed. My mom literally popped off when she was decorating this. So, first off, we have this super cute sparkle pillow, which brings in the overall vibe we were going for with the girly theme. And then this ornament pillow was actually from Walmart. You can get it in like the outdoor section. My mom said they actually had a ton, which is super cool. And they were super affordable, but it's literally humongous and adds like such a comfy touch to my bed. And then up above my bed, this adorable touch, it says Sugar Plum Visions, because this was like the overall vision for the whole room, but it kind of goes also with like sleeping, so it looks so cute in this little light box here. And then above the rainbow, we added some lights, kind of like a Christmas lights vibe moment that I I really feel like add to the arch of this, and I honestly think I'm gonna leave those up year round now that I've had them. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is my favorite part of the whole room. It just goes, you know, with like the Wonderland wishes dreams kind of thing. I don't know. A lot of it, the style of this room tour is super inspired by Fancy Gabby Vlogs. I'm obsessed with her girly overall style, especially on her channel and her rooms and everything. So this just screams her to me and it makes me so happy. So it has this little tinsel all around the top. This is super affordable to do. And then all these sweet little ornaments hanging from it as if they're like my dreams. So I just think that's so adorable. I'm literally obsessed. All right, so moving this way from the bed, this last little nook of my room, this little swag looks so cute. I feel like it adds a little boho touch, and these beads are also in my tree, so it ties that together. And then there's also more of these little crystal filled ornaments, which is so much better, I feel like, than just buying an ornament that already looks the way you want, because it's like a little DIY touch and you can do it super affordably. So we just have that hanging all throughout my things over here. And then we have my feather trees, which I am obsessed with. I think this is so cute. It kind of reminds me of Whoville, and I'm so here for it. So those are just sitting there and add a nice little Christmassy touch. So yeah, that's literally my room. And then they're on this little shelf, which just has like my everyday books and like my PJs, and I don't even know what's over here, my socks, just like all of my daily clothing things. Ooh, real quick, I forgot to show you guys. Under my bed, my mom got these drawers from IKEA. If you guys know, if you saw in the vlog, I got this new bed frame, but I'm obsessed with these drawers, and this is actually how I store all my clothes. So like all my sweaters are in here, and it's super easy to pull in and out. And then this drawer has like skirts and tops and dresses, and it just looks much more organized to me than having them hanging up how I used to have the wardrobe rack. I'm obsessed with that. All right, sunflowers, so that is all for today's room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday edition. Tons of fun vlogs coming. Almost all my vlogmas is going to be vlogs, but I just want to kick it off with this little video to kind of show you guys the behind the scenes of where all this is going to be filmed. I'm so thankful and excited to be back home, and all the Christmas vibes are so good, and we are going to have so much fun this December. So yeah, I'll see you guys around. Be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to be posting a ton there, like tons of gift guides and Christmas related content. So get excited for that, and announcements, things like that. I always have you guys also involved over there on like what's going to be in my videos, what you guys want to see, things like that. So yeah, that's about all for today's video. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope you guys have the most wonderful holiday season ever. All right, see sunflowers around. We are opening the first day of vlogmas. Wanna open it? Look. Look, Stormy. Look, it's a little mouse. I'm so much fun, baby. So, got your mouse?
Many times, many ways. Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts